on well now, so if I get the coconut grater, you know, wash off, grate up, but if I get the next one. Look what I got. Jaja. Thing bossy. Welcome back, peeps. I don't know. They are going to another video. They are with Din to the people. They are on the bush side, you see me? I do with some bush cooking idea. I do with some all-in-one. We already get the stuff there, but I get some cocoa. And we might go look at this coconut. If the one we find. See that?
Yeah, people find a while ago. The man I said, guess what the man said to me a while ago? Never know you look coconut.
But I never know. I see how come we coconut, I say, but wait. But
oh, smart.
We go see if it's good then now. Alright, peeps. So we have the cocoa them here. Or the rest of food them, you see me? So we'll try to get some cocoa now and get the food started. So keep on watching. Nothing.
Oh, nookie so. It's only for nook. Yeah. A young man. So we have this pumkin, we're going on the all-in-one.
Guys, so what is up? Rain a come. In there is the same I cut coconut.
We must use it.
We must use it. But you can see we have a goat them right there, so.
You put on in our crab bush video.
No, but I broke you make a splash from me. You know. You didn't broke your coconut there. Smelly. Smell bad? Now give me all right. So what? Whole. You know spoil, but the whole. You can use, you know. But the whole. Alright, so show you that. Drag y'all, hog or goat, dog. Alright, so we'll catch up the fire, y'all people, because we can't wait for this arena for fall. So we'll catch up the fire right now.
Ready or sitting?
I'm going to do it for everything.
Let's hope that people are in a blow up. It's going to look that bad.
But no, because it doesn't blow over.
Yeah, expect it to blow over. Let's hope see how it comes out. Almost a caution. That should be cool down before not.
See the peeps, the fire come on well now, so if I get the coconut grater, you know, wash off, grate up, but if I get the next one, try for the next one. Yeah. Time to pick out the coconut. It's already come out. So see if I get off the shell. Time to wash the coconut, you know. So I get you and wash off. Because we're going to grate them now. So we're going to peeps. Coconut them wash. Time to grate them up. Drop is a turmeric. Drop in eye. Don't need this now, you know. No, I use too much water, you know. Too much water, I get weak.
Yo, tap your eyes and go.
make a water here boil. Then put on the pot on the fire. Hopefully it's steady. Yeah. Have a coconut milk here, peeps. Rich. Pour it in the pot now. Alright, so I make that go on warm up. In the time being, we'll have food them there, so which we are gonna peel right now. Need the flour. Flour time, you know. Hey. So you got a bush and need flour. Never you throw out all that flour out there bag, yeah? It's all good thick.
Yeah, because if you water you get shake.
If it's spoil for you, you're in trouble, you know. You're not running joke there.
Better you have leftovers than
yeah.
Can't fix it back. Go turn in a porridge. Okay, we turn it in a porridge, I just dash it.
What are we doing one time?
Or make or make fritters.
Make some plat the fritters with flour. Alright. Okay, so you're trying too much water in it, flour one time.
Need quick.
To make it soft. Yeah, we knead it up and get it back firm. Stop back here. Time to peel the foods. This is the cocoa. Sharpen. So peel them and get them washed off. Food them here, wash off and clean. Time, put them in the pot. Pot now boil, you know, but now wait for that to boil. And everything, leave it, then to boil. Cut them up. Cut too big. I look funny, you see daddy.
Fire move lazy bad man.
Oh wait man. Got this cover up. I'll go say something. This one get all of them in the pot first. So now not more put them in the seasoning man. Move and the curry on them. So I start boil. Everything left on the fire now, so everything in the pot. So we are only thing leave. I've put in the seasonings. So the fire blaze. Yeah man, so I'll pumpkin them right there. We go in afterwards. Stir up the pot now, because we don't want the flour them to stick in the pot. Ooh. I eat this now, you know.
That is it.
Alright guys, so we have everything on the pot, in the pot, on the fire. You get messy. So right now, only thing that's left is to put in the seasonings, the onion, the scallion, and some powder seasoning with some curry and the noodle. This is the progress right now. that's the progress right now. Understand? So we'll cover up the pot. Oh, that's hot. Yes, so that's the only thing left to do now. So we're gonna put in them there, update you guys on how the pot looks. It'll take maybe like roughly 10 to 15 minutes to finish. And then we're gonna eat some food, get to jelly. And that are gonna be the pre. So time to get the season them prep up now so we can put them in the pot. So keep on watching.
See, I put up the onion and that are in the pot.
I'll wash it before I cook it. Ooh, yeah, hi. Put in the pepper, you know. Pepper, onion. That is that. Put in some curry. Even adding empty. I'll show you how the pot are going. If I'm doing my dish towel. See it here? My dish towel, people. Pull the pot now. Look what I'm going. Charger. Thing look bossy. Cover him back. Alright guys, so the pot are cooked and we decide say I come look to jelly. One for me, one for Din Din, you see me? So we have the bamboo right here. See that? So here's jelly tree. So we're gonna pick 2 jelly now. Alright, so sit the jelly them here. 4, 2 for me, 2 for you. Can I drink 2 of them? Show me a bit. The next one, huh? Stop one. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna check on the pot now. Oh yeah. Pot must finish cook now. So we're gonna check on it right now. You don't see that black kid there. Alright. So this is our beverage. 2 nice coconut we just pick from that tree. Yeah, so time to get the pot off of the fire and share. This is the dish towel. Get it off. Woo! Dish towel ain't hot. Look. Alright.
My bowl.
Yum. Much dumpling I say.
Much dumpling on.
Enough, you know. You have a spoon.
The man make his own man. That's my good recipe, people.
Cook it and soft like porridge.
Some gravy in a pot, in a bowl. So you don't know eat so much food, people.
Let me tell you, man, this is a whole you.
Eating this now, no. Rat race. I'll take my one, give me a week this now. That is it. So guys, you see this? Chow like chow, man. Yo, run him up, man. Don't call him down here, man.
Go.
You might be confident now. Come down here. Let us try some food.
So I got enough people clean jelly water. Yep. Alright. So much some of food there. How it is. Can't go on. Can't go on.
Man. You see some chicken food in there?
It almost tastes like soup.
Oh, so Yam in there?
Mm-hmm.
Eat the fuck.
Hot.
I want to know when you cook them.
Piece of one dumpling leaf. Alright peeps, so come to the end of the video. You don't know, the food was amazing. Drink some jelly water right now. That burn a little fire right there. Yeah, so you don't know, it was a successful day. Didn't need to pack up, you know, if you cut out back on the road.
You see people, right now belly full. I'm not gonna lie.
Look.
I just want to go down right now.
Oh,
I just choke off in bed. Yeah, go be
Said we.
first though.
Yeah man.
I'll go wash out down at the river.
Yep. See fire burning there. Fire burning. Yeah peeps, so remember them there. So yeah guys, I hope you all enjoyed that video. Might not long, but you all get the whole concept of it. Don't know. Cook some really nice food. Same place in Busha. Down on the farm side. Yeah. Fire really hot. The peeps, so I don't know. That is me signing out. So guys, catch you in my next upload. Peace.